Welcome to Trevlyn GH. We are right now in Spintex in a unique development, mix of 3 and 4 bedroom properties, and we're talking about only 7 units. It's exclusive, it's gated, it has solar panels, and of course you have this 4 bedroom behind me which we're going to enter shortly. But before we do that, just to let you know, Trevlyn Properties is a real estate agent, brokers. We deal with land acquisition, homes for sales, homes for rentals, and we also help those who are looking for JVs as well. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course comment. On that note guys, let's enter straight into it. Let's talk a little bit about the compound right here. What we have here is a 40 feet across, 100 feet to the back of this actual home. We have here parking for at least 3 cars. I love the way they've taken care of the landscaping over here. You have a little green area here. You've got your nice royal palm trees here as well. Now, one of my favorite features of the front elevation of this actual building is right here. It slopes up, it flattens, and then slopes out, and also does the same to the side, and it just gives that 3D effect. Now, if anyone knows what that really is, comment in the comment box below. Now, let's enter in. What a lovely, pleasant home we're in right now. Now, this property has been done spectacularly in my opinion. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the craftsmanship has taken attention to detail and done it splendidly. Now, let's have a look at the panel here for your TV to actually be mounted onto. But look at this little attention to detail. There's a window actually right here. You've got little curtains with it as well, which just makes it so nice and dressed. So I like that. You've got nice little sofas here. You've got really high ceilings, over 3.5 feet tall ceilings. And even though it has got the dressed down POP over here, you don't even feel like it's that low, really high ceilings, loads of natural light coming in. You've got 2 pendant lights in there. You've got a fan in the middle, and you've also got your spotlights. Now, away from the living area, you're here in the dining area right here, which sits at least 6 people and is extendable as well, which is great. Now, further to my left, before we even head anywhere else, you have got a downstairs washroom, which is really good. So when you do have visitors and you're entertaining, this place is all open, very feel free to flow through everything else with it. I do enjoy seeing this kitchen area where the designer and the developer has actually maximized the use of having seats here. So not only do you have seats in the living area, not only do you have seats in the dining area, but you've also got seats in the kitchen, which is really quite good, because if you're entertaining, having parties, friends, family around, no one feels left out, which is really good. And of course, if you've got the kids around as well, you can obviously keep an eye on them. This kitchen has been done with granite worktop, really nice. You've got ample amount of storage space. It's phenomenal amount of storage space right here. Just all the space that you've got. You have soft closing kitchen. I love the work surfaces here. I also like the cabinets up here as well. Very nice done, and it's just all soft closing, really nicely done, and good quality materials too, I must add. Over here you've got your induction hob right here, which is really nice. You've got your basin sink, you've got your oven, and your built-in microwave as well, which is really, really good stuff. Then you've got your fridge, freezer right here, really nice. And I love the way it's all just comes together and it just flows. If you can see the space that I see right here, you will be amazed. And there's a reason for that space. This is 450 square meters of property. This is a whole home, not just a plot, our actual home. So follow me through and come over to this area here, which is the laundry service. So your little utilities area, which you have over here, you have your washing machine over here already plumbed in for you. You have some more storage space over this side as well, where you can dry your outfits and so forth if need be. And you've got another trick, another kitchen here. Well, over here you can do your contemporary, your momoni, and all sorts of food that has that nice odor, but not everybody enjoys, okay? They may not enjoy the odor, but they certainly enjoy the food. And this kitchen is where you can have it all happen. Right here, you've got your 4-burner hob, extractor. You've got, again, over here, you've got your microwave, you've got your oven. So it has so much storage space. And you've also got staff quarters to the rear of the building itself. So not only do you have 4 bedrooms, but you have 4 bedrooms plus staff quarters. Now this is another space for you as well. So without further ado, let's head upstairs and check out the rest of the building. So let's head upstairs, and what I do like is the width of these stairs, how it's been done, the craftsmanship again, and look at this, believe you can, and you are already halfway there. So it seems like we're already halfway up the stairs. Let's have a look and see what else it's got for us up here. A second family area, so you've got a little dining area here, which is really cool, but this is a nice little piece I do like, and it's coming onto a little terrace here, where enjoy the neighborhood, enjoy your neighbors, see the kids playing around and so forth. You're not overlooked too much at all over here. Really nice. Set up some little desk, set up a little decking area here and things like that. And this area is really cool. Chilled out family area. If you've got kids, you can make it into a nice, peaceful gaming area for the kids. But right now it's been done as a living area, which is really nice. You've got real nice lights over here, POP being done, dressed. You have an AC put in over here and so forth. Let's head in and have a look at the bedrooms. Over here, you've got a little study area here, or storage space if you call it that. Over here, you've got a third bedroom, bedroom number 3, ensuite, and they're really good sizes. The finishing, I must say, the colors that they've used, neutral colors, so it gives it that nice little feel of authenticity, quality, neutral colors in here. You've got a nice feature wall, the light grays, touch, high ceilings. I love the lights that you've got right here, really nice and unique. Over here, you've got bedroom number 2. Right here again, love the 2 pendants here. AC will go over here. You've got your own ensuite shower room. Again, good size, and it works with a nice touch of white and the gray. And then right here, you have the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom is huge. Really good size primary bedroom. Look at this. Ta-da! Beautiful size window, letting in natural light. You've got here your TV that will go up against the wall, already connected and ready for you, as it were. Let's head into the bathroom. I love this bathroom. Some places you go to, the bathroom is just overly sized and it just doesn't have the quality and the feel for it. But this has been positioned really well. You can see you've got a nice deep bath here. I love this taps here. You've got his and hers tapped basin here. You've got your WC here, and you've also got a nice lovely shower. So if you came home and you wanted to relax in the bath, here you go. If you want it to be quick because you're going to work in the morning, you have the shower, which is fantastic. Without further ado, guys, let's head into a little walk-in wardrobe area here. You've got this nice space which you can use it as your drawing room, your resting room, and your wardrobe space. So you can just put things all in here for your wardrobe space, which is fantastic. So guys, without further ado, let's wrap this up. Oh, so sorry guys, we've come to the end of this beautiful tour of this lovely development, a mix of 3 and 4 bedroom homes. Right now we're in Spintex, and location wise, we're 20 minutes away from Accra International Airport, 10 minutes away from Palace Mall, 10 minutes away from Accra, all the main hubs. And I'm talking about Ghana International Mall is literally 2 minutes away from here. Without further ado, guys, do not delay. Check in the description details below for the price points, for the size of the apartments, for the properties itself. And as you know, we're always here to assist you. So until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.